What's good, YouTube? It's your boy King Lotta, and I'm back at it again with another trading video. Binary options. Let's get right into it on how to make this money the easiest way possible. I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite formation and my favorite strategy to use and my most effective. So if you guys want to learn more, stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! Alright, YouTube, so as you can see, we're on the pocket option broker, and let's get right into this video. This is the broker that I use for all those who don't know. You can also use Quotex if for some reason you don't get accepted for pocket option, but all you have to do is submit your driver's license and you guys can get in here. And the first thing I want to tell you guys is make sure you go in the link in the description and go ahead and sign up with my referral code so you can get a free deposit match. If you put in $100 on your first deposit, you can get $100, guys. And I just want to tell you, on my first day trading without me even knowing anything, I actually won $700 on my first day because I deposited 60, had 120 to trade with, and I just went ahead and ran it up on a 5-second chart, man. I went ahead and ran it up on a 5-second expiration time, and I lost all $700 in just the same hour. So yeah, man, I'm gonna show you how y'all can prevent that, but let's get right into this, how to trade on any time frame. So let's get it. So what I first want to tell y'all is when y'all are scalping these charts, when y'all are trying to find the perfect charts to trade on, man, what y'all want to do is go ahead and start with the 5-minute candle. So you want to start with the highest time frame. So if you was trading on a 1-minute time frame, guys, if you wanted to trade 1-minute expiration, you would go ahead and put this on a 5-minute, and then you would put your trend lines, or you would put your zones, mark them out. And as you can see, this is pretty much a zone right here. This is probably a zone from like 2 weeks ago, honestly, but this is a zone right here. And then you would just scale down. So I would go to the 3-minute. I would still see that this is the highest point, and I would look at right here, my stochastic is still high. And normally what it would do when you see these uptrends like this is that it will continue to go down and resist a little bit, and then it'll continue to go up. So as you can see, we got some red candles right here and right here. So then I would go to the 1-minute, do some more analysis, and then I would see that we have another previous zone right here that we're already touching. So we're gonna probably bounce off of this. So the pullback is right here, guys. We have a short-term pullback. So if you were trading on the 1-minute time frame, and trust me, stay tuned, I'm gonna teach you how to trade on other time frames, 30 seconds and even 2 and 3 minutes, and even 5 minutes or 15. So whatever you need, man, just continue to watch this video. But as you can see, the pullback has already happened, and our stochastic is, the blue line is under this baseline right here. So since this is a overall uptrend, I will go ahead and place an up trade. And for actual sniper entries, you would hop on the 10 seconds. So as you can see right here, this is 3 candles ago. I was talking to you guys 30 seconds ago was the lowest point, but let's just see if this chart is gonna go back up, because we are on a overall uptrend. As you can see, all this green candle movement right here. But if we are going to pull back down, what I would do is place another entry, a double entry for the up, and this is how you guys can prevent losses. So let's see if this candle closes. And while we're closing, guys, I like to go to the 10 seconds to see the sniperism of it. But as you can see, we've been going down for the last 2 minutes here. So we are about to rise up on our stochastic. So since we looking like we're gonna lose this trade, I'm gonna go ahead and place a double entry for the upside, because I believe this pullback is just about over, since we are getting low on our stochastic. And if this doesn't win either, we are gonna go ahead and enter for a 3rd time. And shout out to Cash, Jeremy J Cash. He has a 4 entry rule over on his channel, and I kind of like it, because even if this and the 3rd trade loses, you have 4 entries to go ahead and try to win your money back. And if it just doesn't go, then it doesn't go. You're done trading for the day. But just imagine, you know, you have 3 chances to be right on these trades. We got 22 seconds left. This trade is looking pretty good, but you have 3 chances to be right on these trades. And if your trade is just not right in 3 tries, then you just took, you know, multiple L's. You didn't just take 3 L's, you probably took 5 or 6 L's, because we are double entering so that we can get profit back from our last trade. So this trade is looking pretty good, guys. Now let me show you how you can trade on a different chart. with a different time frame. So if you guys are wanting to make this quick money, I do suggest trading on the 15 seconds. Never really trade on the 5 seconds, but this is my favorite strategy right here, which is the M formation. As you can see, we have a nice M on the zigzag forming, meaning that we're going to go down. This is a overall downtrend, so I will look at the 5 minute just to see what it's doing. We're supporting and resisting on this 5 minute. We did hit the bottom Bollinger Band and we're heading back up, but our stochastic is still pointing down. So just by the start of this 5 minute candle going in the downwards direction, and seeing that we are still trying to head down, we did hit this Bollinger Band though, so that is what I'm hesitating on. And if you don't know about the Bollinger Bands, guys, when the candlesticks hit these lines up here, that means that it's gonna bounce off of it and try to head the other way a little bit. It might come back to the white baseline and go back down, as you can see it did right here. But as you can see, we have a big downwards push, and like I said, for 15 seconds, guys, what you would do once you find out where the chart is going, you would want to hop on this 10-second candle right here to go ahead and get your sniper entry. So as you can see, we have big down push, and I think we're gonna just keep going down just because this green candle did try to come in. Woo! Before we get too much more into the video, don't forget to check out the links in the description where you can reach out to me for a one-on-one phone call. I'll answer any of the questions you have and help you start your online business or even how to build your credit fast. As well as we do have many videos over on the YouTube memberships for a very cheap price, all exclusive investing content. And don't forget to check out the ebook store at the Latta ebook store, and a link in the description where you can get very cheap ebooks to learn how to trade binary options, boost your credit fast, or even start online business. Back to the video. Woo! Come in, but I think that it's gonna still continue to go down. And we have 5 seconds left here. It's looking pretty close. This could shoot up and take us out, or we could stay and make some easy money. So this is how you trade on 15 seconds or smaller seconds. You always want to be on this 10-second candles right here. You can use Heikin-Ashi, but I like to use the candles because I get direct, accurate candle readings. You can see these wicks, and what these wicks are symbolizing is the power of the chart. So if this wick right here was all the way up here, I would think that this chart is going to try to come and hit this white baseline, but the wick is short, indicating that we did continue to go down, and it's simple as that. So now that we are heading to our bottom baseline on this Bollinger Band right here, I do want to go ahead and get in an up trade just to try my luck and see if this chart will go ahead and go up, because we did hit that bottom Bollinger Band, and this is for the 15 seconds, guys. So you have to be quick. Once you kind of hover that area, go ahead and hit it, man. And if it doesn't go, like I said, on the 15 seconds, the 4 entry rule doesn't really work that effective because these candles are constantly changing. But on the longer time frames, 1 minute, 2 minutes, the 4 entry rule is definitely effective, guys. And as you can see right here, we are trying to head back up, and just because this blue line is above the orange baseline, I believe that we're gonna come down a little bit, and then head back up. But we are going up, guys. So when it does shoot up like that on a downtrend, I would have got in right there. Actually, boom, closed at a tie. So just a little bit off, so we didn't even lose any money on that. So let's go to a different chart. And I like to stay on these cryptocurrencies. I like to stay on these Forex currencies because it's just more easy to predict than these stocks, guys. You kind of want to stay away from these stocks, especially OTC. But the best time to trade would be, 5 o'clock in the morning to around 4 p.m. So then you can get these real pairs. So right now it is currently 3:30, so I can get these real Forex pairs. But these real Forex pairs, guys, they're less risky, but as you can see, the top one only pays 89%. So 89% over 92% is still doable. As you can see, we have another M formation right here. I love these M formations. The chart is going to continue to go down, and this is on a 15, no, this is the 1 minute. Oh yeah, guys, let me tell you right here. So on the real Forex pairs, you can only do 1 minute trades and up. There is no second trades, guys. So I do believe we're gonna still head back down even on the 1 minute though, just because this is a M formation. This is the 10-second candles. So I will go to the 1 minute candle. You can see that we're on a pullback, and this pullback actually looks pretty done for, you know, so we might lose this trade. So, but you never know, the downwards momentum could come back in, but this is the overall up trade. So this is a big mistake that a lot of beginner traders make. So let me go ahead and elaborate on what I just did, which was a beginner mistake. So I was on the 10 seconds, guys, not being aware of my time frame. I seen this M formation, and this thing looks like it's headed down. You know, the last 5 minutes or so we've been on a downwards motion, but I'm not even looking at my 200 moving average. So right here, this blue line, my 200 moving average, as you can see, we have it right here. It's an EMA. So if the chart is above this, we're on an uptrend. If the chart was down here, we would be on a downtrend. So even on the 10 seconds, we're on an uptrend. In all actuality, on the 30 seconds as well, you can see that we're on an uptrend as well. And then I will go to the minute and see that the pullback, it went back down to where we was, but we was just too early into the trade, guys. And I can see that this chart is still trying to go down. It doesn't look like it's gonna go up still, so I'm gonna double back in my entry. Even though this entry might be a little late, I should have got it as it was coming down, but I was doing some analysis, so that's fine if you take a couple seconds for analysis. But if you take, you know, a minute or two to figure out if you want to continue to go down with this pullback or continue to go with the trend, the overall trend, then you might lose the trade because of your procrastination, because you could lose these trades in the last second. So let's see what this 30 seconds does, and I'll show you if this trade loses in the last second because we were talking too much. And yeah, man, so let's get it. It's 20 seconds left, and I think I'm gonna make this my last trade for the day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. I keep it real, I keep it a buck with you. And yeah, man, just join the family. As you can see, we're still going down. The pullback is still real on this overall uptrend, and looks like we're gonna close this bad boy out. So like I said, the 4 entry rule is always effective. If you don't get it on the second try, go with the third try. 3 trades. If that still doesn't go, then you go 4 times, and if that doesn't go, just book it for tomorrow, man. And I know you guys are looking like $90 for entries. That's like $600 by the time, you know, you might even win your 4th entry or 5th entry. Well, guys, that's why you trade with what you got. So if you only got $10 because you have $100 in your account, go ahead and trade $10. So if you do have to do that 4 entry rule, your account will be down half because you would lose 50 if you lose all 4 of your entries. But hey, yo, you have to lose before you succeed, man. That's in everything. And with all that being said, we out. Man, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little trading video. My favorite formation, man. You will see this strategy a lot in the upcoming videos. And don't forget to subscribe to the Lotta Trading channel, where all we do on that channel is trade. But with all that being said, man, my name is King Lotta. Feel free to reach me in my email. Until the next one, we out. Woo!